Good morning, students. How are you? Yesterday we will discuss some method of separation. Now we will discuss the some more method of separation means other method of separation. Now the first method is here sedimentation. What is the sedimentation? Sedimentation can be defined as the process through which dirt and other heavier particles in a mixture settle at the bottom of the vessel when water is added to it. इट्स मीन्स सेडिमेंटेशन कहता है कि जो हमारे दर्द मीन्स गंदगी या हैवी पार्टिकल जो भारी कण होते हैं किसी सब्सटेंस में, उसमें जब हम पानी मिलाएंगे एडिड टू वाटर, देन जो हाइयर पार्टिकल होंगे और जो दर्द होगी वो बर्तन की तली में मीन्स बॉटम में जम जाती है। और when dust and dirt particles have settled, जब डस्ट और दर्द के पार्टिकल से बॉटम में सेटल हो जाते हैं मीन्स जम जाते हैं, द क्लियर वाटर विच फॉर्म्स द अपर लेयर इज मूव टू डिफरेंट कंटेनर। देन किसी विसल मीन्स बर्तन की तली बॉटम में डस्ट और हैवी पार्टिकल सेटल रहते हैं और उसके ऊपर क्लियर वाटर होता है। और जो क्लियर वाटर होता है वो हम क्या कर लेते हैं, दूसरे डिफरेंट कंटेनर में उसको मूव अप कर लेते हैं। Look at this picture. You have to clear these pictures. This is the heavier particle and dust settle in the bottom, and clear water is the upward of the water. That is the second example. You have to look it carefully. Next method is the decondensation. What is the decondensation? It is the next method of the separation. Decondensation can be defined as the process of transferring clean liquid without disturbing the sediment. It means जब heavy particle or dust can be settled at the bottom and the clear water is upper of the heavy particle, then we remove clean liquid from another container without disturbing the sediment. Sediment means dirt particle, heavy particle which are not useful for us. Immiscible liquids can be separated by this process. Means decomposition process can be used to separate immiscible liquids. What are the immiscible liquids? Two liquids are said to be immiscible if they are completely insoluble in each other. Means immiscible liquid वो लिक्विड होते हैं जो कभी भी आपस में मिल नहीं सकते. Such a system actually consists of two phases, though it is usually referred as a mixture. For example, mixture of oil and water. Oil and water is the best example of the immiscible liquids. You have seen that oil and water can never mix to each other, so oil and water can be separate using the decomposition processes. Look here, this is the example. This is the process of the decomposition, how to separate the two liquids. This is the second example with pictures. Third is the filtration. Filtration means किसी चीज को filter करना. The process involves the passing of impurities through a filter. These filters have pores which only allow the liquid constituent to pass through. The process involves the passing of impurities through a filter. जब फिल्टर होता है उसमें क्या किया जाता है कि जो प्योर होते हैं फिल्टर पेपर के, उसके थ्रू हम इसको किसी चीज़ को फिल्टर करते हैं. You have to look the filtration method using this picture. It is very clear here. We have to see in the first beaker there are the some liquid include the impurities. We then filter this using the beaker, then we get the water and the sand. This is the another method of the filtration. This is the another. Next is the evaporation. This process in which a liquid into a gas is called the evaporation. In this method, the mixture is heated. The liquid part of the mixture evaporates, leaving the solid part behind. In this process में हम मिक्सचर को हीट करते मीन गर्म करते हैं. द लिक्विड पार्ट ऑफ द मिक्सचर वेपोरेट, वाष्पीकृत हो जाता है. जो लिक्विड पार्ट हो जाता है उस मिक्सचर का वो क्या हो जाता है, वाष्पीकृत हो जाता है, और पीछे क्या बचता है, सॉलिड पार्ट बच जाता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेपोरेशन टेक प्लेस कंटिन्यूसली वेयर वाटर इज प्रेजेंट. ये प्रोसेस इज एप्लीकेबल है वेयर जब मोस्टली वाटर इज प्रेजेंट. Look out this picture, you have to clear the evaporation method of separation. Look this also. Condensations. Next method of separation, the condensation. The process in which water vapor gas change into liquid is called the condensations. It is the reverse process of the evaporations. Look out this in this picture. We have heat a mixture. We get the evaporate, then we cool it by using the ice, we get the appropriate substances. Use of more than one method of separation. क्या हम किसी सब्सटेंसेस को अलग करने के लिए एक से अधिक मेथड ऑफ सेपरेशन कैन बी यूज कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can use. Often we are faced with mixture and solution that cannot be separated by use of a single separation technique. A number of such techniques need to apply simultaneously to achieve the desired result. Example: salt and sand mixtures. साल्ट और सैंड के मिक्सचर को हमें अलग अलग करने के लिए एक से अधिक मेथड ऑफ सेपरेशन यूज करने होंगे. First, we will add water in the salt and sand mixtures. Salt is dissolved in the water and sand is settled down in the basin. We have using the sandimation method in this. Then we take Dickinson method. We remove the mixture of water and salt from the another vessels. Then we heat the mixture of salt and the water and get the salt. Can water dissolve any amount of a substances? क्या पानी में हम किसी सब्सटेंस को किसी भी अमाउंट में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं, मिला सकते हैं? नेवर, नो, कभी नहीं मिला सकते. Even though water can dissolve a number of substances and solution in it, it has a limit to how much it can dissolve. एक लिमिट होती है हम किसी भी वाटर में किसी चीज को मिलाने की. After a certain point, it stops dissolving any more of that substances and the substance collect the bottom of the vessel. We say that solution has become saturated. यदि हम एक गिलास में पानी लेते हैं और हम उसमें शुगर मिलाना शुरू करते हैं तो हम देखेंगे कि एक स्पून इजली उसमें डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी, 2 चम्मच भी इजली डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी, 3 चम्मच भी इजली डिसॉल्व होगी. But after a certain point, after some time, sugar cannot be dissolved in the water. A saturated solution is one that contains the maximum possible concentration of a particular solute. मीन्स सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन ये होता है कि हम किसी एक गिलास में अधिक से अधिक कितनी चीनी मिला सकते हैं, कितनी चीनी डिजोल्व कर सकता है। एक गिलास वाटर कितना नमक, कितना साल्ट डिजोल्व कर सकता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। Okay, friends, thank you so much. It is the 5th chapter our completed, so you will make the notes and learn it. Tomorrow we will discuss about the question and answer of this chapter, and I have take a test on this chapter. Thank you so much.